Okay, Math 1. This is your warm-up for Tuesday, May 12th. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on the screen for about 45 seconds, and then I will start working these. So go ahead and copy these down. Okay, if you're still a little behind, you can always pause the video and catch up. So, number one, they've given us two of the angles out of our triangle. That means the third one should be really easy to find. First of all, I don't even need to do any arithmetic. I already know this is a special triangle. This is a 60, 60, 60 triangle. The other way you know this is that the other way that you can prove this, hold on just a second. The other way you can prove this is that you know that all of the angles of a triangle are going to equal 180 degrees, the sum of all the angles. So that's something you probably knew before we started this unit, so that's great. So anyways, on this one, they want to find the exterior angle. So all we're going to do here is we're going to say, I know that this is 60 degrees, and I also know that these two angles are forming a straight angle. A straight angle equals 180 degrees, so you could really just take 180 degrees minus 60 and you get 120. So the answer to number one was 120 degrees. If we were writing this as a proof, you would say the exterior angle, because these two angles form a supplementary pair, by definition of supplementary angles, you know that it's going to equal 180. So anyways, this one right here, this one you may not have seen very well. So this is 30 degrees. This is only 20 degrees. And then I'm trying to find angle 1 and angle 2. When I look at this, once again, this is one of those ones you have to always remember that the sum of all the angles equals 180. If you know that, and they give you two of the angles, add the two angles together, you get 50 degrees. We're going to go ahead and subtract that from 180, and you end up with 130. So angle 1 is 130 degrees. Angle 2 then is simply because these form a supplementary pair, you're going to say 180 minus 130 equals 50. So obviously the other one is 50 degrees, okay? One of the things that you want to be careful of anytime you see these anytime you see a drawing, always trust the math. Don't trust the drawing, because in this case, that does not look like 50 degrees. 50 degrees would be a lot closer to like down here. But for the sake of, and obviously this angle would be much more